Hello, and welcome to Library Instruction Session for CCJ 2002 Law, Crime, and the Criminal Justice System. This is Video 1, Beginning the Research Process. What is a search strategy and why is it important? My name is Lawrence Mello Jr. I'm a Research Instruction Librarian here at FAU Libraries, and you can reach me at lmello@fau.edu. When doing research, it's important to have an effective search strategy. Think a search strategy as a plan or roadmap to finding your resources and getting through the process of doing research. Things like define your research topic, give it a title, develop the questions in which you're about to ask of your research, anticipate dates, both starting and ending. It's good to ask the professor if you're not sure. Define what the research objectives are. Once that is all done, you need to begin to look for resources or collect data. This is where the library can come in handy and is very important, whether you're looking for peer-reviewed articles, books, streaming video, or more. Once you find your resources, begin to analyze the material, synthesize them, take notes. Then draw conclusions from what you've read. It's important to understand and know the audience in which you're writing for, and try to keep your biases to a minimum. Yes, we are human, and we all have a bias. But in the academic research world, it's important to keep biases to a minimum, and it only adds credibility to the research you're engaged in. And then begin to write the paper. The importance of having an effective search strategy. A search strategy, again, in the context of academic research, refers to the structure or systematic approach into finding resources on your topic. Unfortunately, the library's resources are not as intelligent as Google, where you can put a complex question in Google and it will find everything under the sun, good, bad, or indifferent. That being said, when using this library search engines, the catalog, databases, it's important to understand your topic and to draw keywords from your topic, because those keywords will be what is important to use when finding resources, regardless of what they are. And when you group multiple keywords together, you use this Boolean term or Boolean operator, as we call it in the library world, and we'll go over that more in a minute. This will help connect those subject terms, those keywords together so the system understands what it's looking for. So for this demonstration and further demonstrations in the videos where we do live interactions with the research resources, we're going to use the topic advocating the preservation of the death penalty in America. So there we have our topic, example, the advocacy and preservation of the death penalty in America. And here are some key steps into creating a search strategy. 1. Identify the main concept. What are you trying to look for? What are you trying to define? Again, death penalty, preservation, advocacy in the United States. Those are keywords that all came from that question. But you can use other keywords as well. Brainstorm. Think of synonyms as they relate to those original keywords when you're doing your searches. Sometimes you may have to do more. Remember when I said Boolean operators? Those are the terms that we use to connect those keywords. And we use the words and, or not. And there you can see that how each word will differentiate or modify the system when searching resources. We'll go into this more detail when you see the other videos and demonstrate live searches. Sometimes you have to use quotations. Quotations are useful to put around keywords when you have multiple keywords grouped together, like prison system or death penalty. You'd put death penalty inside quotations to tell the system that it's one subject term. And sometimes it's useful to use subject-specific databases, as they will pull from academic journals from that particular academic research area, in your case, criminal justice. So here in this slide, we'll see some possible examples of keywords like death penalty. Notice they're inside quotation. Capital punishment inside quotation. So when the system reads it, it sees capital punishment as one topic, not capital by itself or punishment by itself, but capital punishment as one topic. You'll see it's been grouped together by the word or. So death penalty or capital punishment. It's telling the system I want resources either on the death penalty or on capital punishment. And then we group it with the word and another grouping of keywords, support or preserve. So how you use the Boolean operators and what keywords you use will strictly be up to your research topic, your question, and this is where a librarian can come in handy. If you need help creating a search strategy, come into the library or contact us, and I will show you in the future videos how you can do that, so we can engage with you, work with you, and help you create a search strategy that will help you find the resources for your topic. This is the end of video 1, beginning the research process. What is what is a search strategy, and why is it important? Again, my name is Lawrence Mello, Jr., and you can reach me at lmello@feu.edu. Stay tuned for future videos, and they will show you how to use the library system.